Lazy people are always lazy. They don't want to get up, bend over, wash their hair, or strain their muscles. Watch our new video to learn funny life hacks for lazy people. We have to clean the whole house. Yikes! It's like a Lego factory exploded in here. Look at all the Legos on the floor. I don't want to bend over for each one. Here's an idea. Tray sneaker soles on a big Lego plate. Cut out the soles using a heated utility knife. Adjust the edges with a nail file. Hot glue the Lego sole to your sneakers. I can use my Lego sneakers to pick up all the Legos off the floor. I'm jumping right into my cleaning. It's all tidy again in just 1 minute. Thanks a lot, Lego sneakers! If you are a lazy little unicorn and you can't find a place to take a nap, we have a life hack specifically for you. Just take your pillow with you. Fill a pillowcase with styrofoam balls. Sew the pillowcase closed. Cut 4 rectangular pieces of Velcro. And glue the hook side pieces to the corners of the pillowcase. With a pillow like this, you can sit and nap wherever you want, and you'll always be comfortable. Sweet dreams, unicorn! Do you want to play video games and eat cereal at the same time? We know how uncomfortable that can be. Bet you wish you had a third arm, or our lazy life hack. Turn your hoodie around so it's backwards and pour cereal right into your hood. Now you can eat hands-free. I'm like the gamer version of Julius Caesar. I can multitask, crush my enemies, and snack at the same time. So many dishes! I'm too lazy to wash them. And I was just about to watch a funny video, too. No wish to wash dishes. But I know an easy life hack. Put your phone in a Ziploc bag. Attach a clothing hanger on top and hang the phone above the sink. Now my chores are way more fun. I can watch YouTube videos while I clean. Don't worry, your phone won't get wet. Although I'm still too lazy to wash the dishes. My hair is a little dirty, but I'm way too lazy to wash it right now. What if my hair cleaned itself overnight? It's worth a shot. Unfortunately, nothing happened. My laziness didn't clean my hair at all. So what should I do? I'll put on my favorite hair disguise accessory. Get 2 fake hair extensions. Glue them onto a rectangular piece of white felt. Use hot glue. Attach the second ponytail the same way. Turn the hat inside out. And hot glue strands along the sides. A hat with its own hair is the perfect headgear for lazy ladies. Just be sure you don't take your hair off along with your hat. Getting ready for an exam? You've been studying for 5 hours? Your head and neck must be exhausted. Look, they are begging for help. You can take a selfie break. Hashtag textbook life. Next, use our life hack. Use your selfie stick to hold up your head. Make sure your neck is comfortable. Perfect! If you support your head while you are studying, your head will support you during the exam. Exercise is life. I'm like Rocky. I've got the eye of the tiger. is ouch! That's it! I'm done working out! The tiger can't lift even one muscular arm anymore! Good thing we have a special armrest! Cut a rectangular piece of cardboard in half. Cut the same sized rectangles out of foam rubber. And glue the foam rubber onto the cardboard. Cover the piece with fake leather. Attach loops of webbing ribbon to the sides. Put an adjustable strap through the loops. Make 2 armrests like this. Carefully put the armrests on. Ah! My poor tired arm feels better already. Get some rest, you poor thing. Now I just need to put the second armrest on. Man, being an athlete is hard work. And my friend has a very special weapon, a suction cup gun. That might come in handy for lazy days. Let's pull that bowl of cereal over. Look what I can do! Oops, it didn't work. New plan! I'll feed you with the suction cup. Here, catch! Go! That's not a good idea either. I guess we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way, and I'll just hand feed you. You were sitting on the couch, watching TV, drinking coffee. But you don't have anywhere to put the cup? Hold on, I have a super belt. Color a round pocket mirror with bronze acrylic paint. Be sure to paint the inside too. Glue in 2 cords to keep the mirror from opening fully. Paint them bronze. Put in a thin wire inside. Glue the mirror onto a belt. A belt with a cup holder is an absolutely groundbreaking invention. Just open up the stand and put your cup inside. That's great! The cup holder belt. Keep your hands free to do something way more important. Are you comfy on the couch? What about the light? I'll turn it off. Oops, it didn't work. It just got worse. Honey! Oops, sorry. I forgot to warn you. Great, you can mop up the floor with your sweater. And can you get the lights? Thanks! Too lazy to do your makeup? Here's an easy life hack for the laziest makeup artist. Just blow powder right onto your face, and your makeup is ready. It's super easy. I'm so lazy that even eating is too much work, but my hunger is too strong. A cheeseburger! How lucky! But I need some sauce. Let's see what we have. So many sauces, and I'm too lazy to choose. But I know how to make my lazy choice easier. I'll make my own sauce dispenser. I'll need a round spinning stand and a bunch of small containers. A sauce carousel in my fridge. Now even the laziest person can choose a sauce in seconds. Did you like our life hacks for lazy people? Then comment below and tell us which one you'll use. The belt cup holder, the clean hair hat, or the Lego shoes. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss fun new life hacks from Troom.